Okay, today we're going to be going over the unboxing and the installation of our IR-3 universal remote repeater. And this is the device that we recommend for any customers that'll be using a universal IR remote with our Deco Frame installed on their Frame TV. So let's go ahead and open up the box here. And right out of the box, we see the repeater itself. And this actually has both sensors on it. It has the repeater, the larger fob, and the emitter, the smaller fob there. Next up, we have the micro USB adapter and the power cube. And then after that, we have the power cable extender that can be used to get us to a power source if we don't have one nearby. And then after that, we have the instruction sheet that'll actually show us how everything goes together and installs. Okay, so let's take a look at the IR repeater itself. So first we have the receiver, which is the larger fob that has the IR eye on the front with the adhesive strip on the back. And that's what receives our IR signals. And then we have the emitter here, which is the smaller fob that has the adhesive strip on the same side as the IR eye that we see here. And yeah, those are the two sensors that we'll see on the repeater. Next up, we have the micro USB adapter and the power cube. So first we'll go over the power cube. You can connect the IR repeater directly to the power cube, but we also have the power extender here that does have the micro USB connection, which is why we have the micro USB adapter. So this is the micro USB adapter. It can plug directly into the repeater at the USB, and on the back end of it, we see the micro USB adapter. And that's where we can actually connect the micro USB port on the power extender. So if we don't have a nearby power source, this is a really good solution because it can connect with the micro USB adapter and it can allow us a much further reach to a nearby power source if we don't have one in the immediate vicinity of the install that will be available for the repeater. So from there we can connect it to the power cube and that can go directly into our wall power source. So this is the install that we'll be working with today. We have a Frame TV with a distressed barnwood frame. And if we look over here on the right, we have the IR-3 repeater already installed. I've got it on the mantle space here. That's the receiver itself. And then we see the emitter here is actually tucked right underneath the Deco frame, anchored by these books here. So that'll demonstrate just how well it works, even if it's not attached directly to the sensor. Okay, so this is the remote we'll be using. It's just the generic universal IR remote. So let's go ahead and try it out. We'll point it right here at the receiver, and boom. Just like that, we go right into TV mode, right to the home menu, and we can navigate without any trouble using the IR remote here. We'll go to YouTube. Forgive my smudged up screen here. And yeah, it's that simple. So we gain full control with the universal IR remote so long as we have the repeater installed where the remote can see the repeater, and then the emitter, so long as it's pointed at the receiver on the TV, it will have no issues controlling the TV once it can receive those signals. And so here again, you can see it's tucked over there. It's not even on the sensor itself. It's just pointed up at the sensor and still works just fine. And that's all there is to it. So that's the unboxing and the installation of the IR-3 universal repeater. And of course, if you do have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer service team at any time. We'll be happy to assist with any questions you might have about the remote or the repeater itself.